Hello everyone, I'm Daniela and today I'm going to show you how you can make your own reusable pads. I've created a simple pattern that you can use and I will leave it linked in the description box below. But of course you can and you should personalize your pads to fit your needs. So let's get started. Once you have your pattern all set up, trace it onto your fabric and cut it. If you're using my pattern, I have already included seam allowance, so there's no need to do that. You will need two layers, one in regular cotton, this is what I call the inner fabric, it's the one that will be against your skin, so it's a bit softer, and another layer for the outside, made from waterproof fabric, which is the pink one. I actually wanted white, but it was out of stock, so pink is what I got. Mine seems to be like a regular fabric on one side and a little rubbery on the other. Next, cut the rectangular piece for the lining. Mine is a cotton and polyester batting. Attach the inner cotton fabric to the lining by sewing two straight lines on both sides, with the right side of the fabric facing out. Then sew the inner and outer fabric together as well, with the right sides facing. The rubber side of your waterproof fabric should be facing the outside. Leave an opening on one of the straight sides so you can turn the whole thing right side out later. I actually forgot and kinda messed this part up because I left my opening on a curved side. Nothing major, except that I had to end sew the opening closed after the next step. Make little snips on the curved sides so your seams can lay flat once you turn them, or use a pinging shears to trim the seam allowance. Turn the whole piece right side out. This is the part where I had to end sew the opening closed. You can do it too, of course, if you don't want it to be so noticeable, but the next step is to top stitch around the whole thing, which will also close the opening. Lastly, we're gonna attach the snaps. If you don't have a snap tool, you can maybe try using a small button or Velcro. Match the snaps accordingly and make sure one of the sides has the stud facing down and the other has the socket facing up. thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna leave a list of the fabrics that I used and all the supplies in the description box below. And make sure to check it out if you have any doubts. And I'll talk to you next time. Bye!